Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create circle image effect in Canva. So all you have to do is simply open your Canva design and then you're gonna have to go to elements and scroll down until you see frames. So simply select the circle frame. So as you can see we have basic shapes and I'm gonna pick the circle one. So let's go back here and let's choose this one here. And now all you have to do is simply upload your image. Now I'm gonna use a free image from Canva just to show you. So as you can see, so let me pick one from here. So I'm gonna pick this one here. Now all you have to do is simply drag this and place it on top of the circle, and then you're gonna have this circle image effect. Now you can scale it up if you want, you can double click on it to move it, as you can see, to choose other angles, etc. So basically that's all you have to do in order to create circle image effect in Canva. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.